Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you are trying to start freelancing but don't know where to find clients or how to get your first project fast, this video is for you. I'll show you simple steps beginners can follow, plus a few smart AI tools that make your work easier, faster, and more professional. Let's get started. 1. Decide your service. Pick one skill you can confidently offer: content writing, graphic design, social media management, website design, or video editing. You don't need to be perfect. Just choose something you enjoy and can deliver well. 2. Create a simple portfolio. You don't need real clients to start. Make 3 to 5 sample works, upload them on Google Drive or a free portfolio site like Behance or Notion. This instantly makes you look professional. 3. Use AI tools to speed up your work. AI isn't here to replace you, it helps you work faster. Some powerful tools to boost your freelance results: ChatGPT for writing ideas, scripts, emails, and client communication. Jasper AI, great for marketing content and ad copy. Canva, easy design tool for thumbnails, posters, social media posts. Surfer SEO, helps your blog content rank on Google. Marketing automation tools like Zapier or N8N, to save hours of manual work. These tools help you deliver faster, increase quality, and take on more clients. 4. Where to find clients fast. Here are beginner-friendly places to get clients: Fiverr and AMP. Upwork, create clean gigs. LinkedIn, post your sample works weekly. Facebook groups, Freelancer and AMP. Business groups, cold email outreach, simple, friendly email with portfolio link, show value first. Keep your message short, honest, and helpful. Clients hire freelancers who reply quickly, deliver clean, consistent work, communicate clearly, show samples, use tools that speed up the process. If you combine human creativity plus AI tools plus fast delivery, you will stand out in the freelance market. Starting freelancing isn't hard, getting started is the only step. Pick your skill, create a simple portfolio, use AI tools to work smarter, and reach out to the right clients. If you want more videos on AI tools, digital marketing, and smart business growth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.